Hey guys, today we'll talk about the British pound versus the US dollar. Here's the disclaimer. Don't forget to read it. Yeah, and if you have questions, you can send an email to support. So, British pound, US dollar. Strong sell-off only because the DXY rallied after the after the US flash services PMI, flash manufacturing PMI came in better than expected, confirming big expansion in these sectors, and that's why we had this massive sell-off here on British pound US dollar. Okay, right now, as you can see here on my 1 hour chart, the price reached a demand zone. Okay, but demand zone only because here we had this sell-off. We had the sideways movement, false breakdown with great separation below that former low. Okay, former low, and then boom. Okay, and you can see also here that when the price reached this zone here, with strong imbalance, it has rallied. Right now, after this massive sell-off and after reaching this demand zone, personally maybe I will look for potential longs, even if earlier today I've said that that the DXY is still bullish, that the US dollar is still bullish. Also, I've said that the DXY could retreat, yeah, and maybe I would like to see a retreat on the DXY on the dollar index, and that's why if we'll have a sell-off, retreat and correction on the dollar index, then British pound US dollar could rebound. Okay, and after this massive sell-off, we cannot exclude the temporary rebounds and the bounce back. Still, right now it's premature to talk about something like this, okay, only because the bias is still bearish, the downside pressure remains high, and yeah, only temporary rebounds could signal maybe a deeper drop. Okay, right now it stands below the immediate downtrend line. Let's see if we have something here. Okay, maybe a falling wedge pattern, guys. Maybe a falling wedge pattern, right? A falling wedge pattern which could represent a bullish formation. But right now, as long as it stays below the downtrend line, it could extend its sell-off, and that's why right now I still need confirmation here inside of this demand zone. Okay. I would like the price to retest here, to maybe to register only false breakdowns, great separation, breakout, the price action to validate the breakout, a new higher high. So I need confirmation, because right now it's premature to talk about a potential rebound. As I've said, the DXY is still bullish, and only a retreat, a correction on the dollar index could bring us a rebound here on the British pound US dollar. But right now, yeah, it has reached the demand zone, but it could still hit the downside line, maybe the static support levels, and only a valid breakout here, and confirmation here, a pattern could bring us a long opportunity here on British pound US dollar. But personally, I will keep an eye on this market, and I will come back with my trade into the VIP group once I'll have and when I'll have confirmation. And yeah, maybe this could be really my next trade, and it could be really great setup here on the British pound US dollar. Don't forget, guys, that later guys, the ECB should have a big impact. Okay, and also the US data, yeah, should have a big impact on this market. Don't forget to read the disclaimer, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can hit the link below this video if you want to join the VIP groups. Bye bye.